Hello, doctor.
Hello, how can I help you?
Actually, doctor, since morning I am having severe stomach pain.
Tell me where exactly the pain is.
It is some hot near the lower abdomen.
Do you have any symptoms?
No, doctor.
What did you eat last night?
I had a dinner party with friends in a restaurant.
That's the reason. Don't worry. I prescription you some medicine. Take them regular and avoid eating outside food.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Take care.
Please subscribe our channel. This is video regular uploading.